Okay, so we are still here in Amasama, and we are working at this specific place. This is a master bedroom of the entire building, and there are some couple of stuff that we need to sort it out here. So you see, there's the bed side, that switch over there, and this particular one. So these are the bed head will go this way, and you see there are a couple of changes that we are doing. It has a spotlight of about 9 plus to 11, and it's being controlled with just one switch. So let's say when you are in this room, all these 11 lights will come on at the same time, and that's very, very bad. So we are going to separate them. We are doing, you see, there's the bed side. So we are separating them. We are going to turn these 4 lights on separately, then another 5 on separately, then another 2 on separately, and you see it also has these 2 ceiling lights. So that one will also be turned on separately. So this is just a quick update. This is just a quick one. So we will have to add additional cables or wires to the existing one.